In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust your microphone settings on your Lenovo desktop, tablet, or laptop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select system on the left panel. On the right side now, select sound. And then going down underneath input, select your microphone device. You may have to expand the drop down here. Go ahead and select it. And then you can adjust all the settings on this page. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.